think I found the mystery problem with my floats sticking closed, judging by the amount of grit and other contaminants that are floating around in here. I think it may be time to switch to a better fuel filter too. I get the feeling the one that's in there now has somehow failed. Yeah, so this thing's pretty much filthy. Giving everything a good cleaning and putting another fuel filter in, probably right before the carb, and see what happens. Hey, before I cut this off, I thought one more little test here. When I left off, the fuel pump wasn't pumping anything fuel-wise. As you can see right here, there's absolutely nothing in this filter. So I am going to crank up the fuel pump and see what happens. See, I got some fuel up here. Fuel pressure, open hair over 6. I'm sure the regulator's cut it off by now. Let's see. Hey everyone. So I just changed my fuel filter, and this is the remnants of the little bit of excess fuel that spilled overboard. And if you look inside of the pre-filter in front of the fuel pump, you can see the amount of sludge. I'll let Karen get some more dripping out. Just take a look at this. Comment below and tell me what you think. Time for a new fuel tank? Or just plan on carrying a spare filter and changing about every 100 miles? As I don't think this is going to go well. And that stuff's solid. It's just, I mean, it's in there. It's like a solid sludge. And the stuff that spilled over, you can even see where the rubber gloves were on, the mark it left on my wrist, where it dribbled over on me versus my hand had the glove on. And then if we go back under the car, you can see as well the rust stain left behind after the fuel evaporated. So I'm thinking this tank is toast. I don't even know if I want to try and drive this thing tomorrow or not. So anyway, leave your opinions below. Interested to see what other people have dealt with personally. Thanks. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe, hit like, hit the notification button. As you can see, this car is going to be probably a lifelong project. Thanks everyone.